All right, guys, last trade of the day. Providing I win this trade, you guys have seen every single trade I took today. We took the EURNZD, we took the NZD USD. You can go back and watch those videos if you want to see how those worked out. And I'm actually about 3.5 pips late on this trade. My entry should have been right here, right? Which would have been the fresh TVblast signal. But by the time I seen it, it had already pushed back down to the low of that candle, and I went ahead and entered right there, and it's been moving up and down, and then this candle just opened up about 1 minute ago, exactly 1 minute ago. So my stop loss I have right here. It's at about 15 pips. Take profit is right here, and it's about 15 pips. So I'm going to just hang on to this, and we'll go from there. On the base side, GBP's well, this is live. When this happened and this happened, these GBP numbers were low, but now that like right when it was pushing down here and on live mode right here, these numbers were low, looking good. But our USD numbers were also looking good, right? So you could definitely see on the 5 minute, we had a push down on all pairs that ended in USD. We just need to see that same momentum across the board here. So, well, yeah, we'll see what ends up happening with it. I may have made a mistake on this trade because you can see the uptrend is pretty much intact. So once this candle moves down, I'll see if there's a way to get out of it. I just have to see what the price action gives, and we'll watch it from here. Hey guys, I just closed the trade on GBP USD. I'm going to look for a different opportunity, and it's really because things change. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Things changed so much when I took that trade. So, price had pushed down, it broke through the structure. It's a perfect idea, right? Red TVblast signal, break a structure. My stop loss would have been about 10 pips. Everything looked good. And then it dropped, 5, 6, 7 pips. Everything looked great for that. But then by the time I took the trade, which was right about here, of course, price still dropped down a little bit, but then how it pulled back and it made that new high on this candle, I just don't like how it looks. It comes with experience. It's just my way of looking at the market, right? And so I got out of it. As you see, I was able to get out with no loss. So let me check based on my fees as well. So it cost me $290 to place the trade, and I got out with about 490 profit. So I still made a small profit on the trade, but I just don't want to be in that one. So I'll look for a different one. Let's see how CAD JPY is looking. We just got the signal here. No break of structure yet. Let's see USD. Wow, look at that. USD CHF's flying. Don't care about that. AUD USD. I think I'm going to take a little break, and then I'll just come back, and we'll look for some more trading here in just a little bit. Hey guys, just wanted to come back and update you. This is GBP USD. The trade that I had closed out, I said that I didn't like it because of that wick. And look at it now, right? So about 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, and this thing's got big, bullish, solid candle closing right back up where my entry was. So it's a good thing that I closed the trade. Again, these little things that you pay attention to can either make or break you when you're trading. So I'm still taking a little break. I'll be back in just a little bit, and we'll look for some more trades. All right, guys. Looks like we are gonna go in again on. Let's see, 12. Let me get the trade in. Okay, so another one on EURNZD. I've been all over this pair this week, but it's setting up that same pattern I showed you yesterday where we had prices pushing down, right? So I've already traded almost the exact same price, which is crazy. And let's just go right here, 12. and my TP is almost at the same spot. So just a different time of day. But the pattern is prices pushing down, prices pushing back up, and then prices again pushing down. So I'm gonna go ahead and take profit on this. I considered trailing it, like I attempted earlier, but I just want to get the profit and be done. So that'll be 3 trades during today's session. I've been in and out, right? I've already done, I went and got some coffee this morning. I went and got the kids ready for school. Went to the grocery store, right? And I'm just back. So I've been on and off the charts for about 2 hours now. Got the 3 trades. GBP USD, I had to pull the plug on and exit the trade. And I'm glad that I did. If we just go back and look at it, this is what it's looking like now. It didn't produce profit. Let's put it that way, right? So this trade, just to summarize why I'm taking it is 1, we have a fresh TVblast signal. 2, we have the pattern that I like. And 3, it's listed as the best selling opportunity right here, right? So EURNZD, look at NZD, all below 50, all below 50. And so, yeah, look, it's looking pretty good. And that'll be it. That'll be it for the day. So I'm going to mute and I'll speed this thing up and we'll review it when it's done. All right, guys, there it is. Final trade of the day. Got another one on EURNZD. This pair has been really, really good this week for me. If you notice any of the videos that I've uploaded, you can see that I've traded this pair all week. It's not, there's nothing specific that I like the most about this pair. It just keeps popping up on my system here, keeps providing opportunities. So you guys just saw this trade. You saw everything about it. It was a fresh TVblast signal. Got in, had the stops, and what did I have it calculated at? I can't remember. It must have. I can't remember now, but anyways, yeah. So that's good. We got a 1 to 1.5 on this trade. We traded the GBP USD trade, which let's go look at that. Yeah, see, it turned around. So you see, pay attention to things like this. That's why when I say what I say about if you're buying or you're selling and price is not going directly where you expect it to go, right? If you're selling, that means that you expect price to go directly to the TP. If it does something like this and you have a chance to get out without a loss, take that opportunity and get out of the trade, because most of the time you're going to be right. And sure enough, I would be getting out at a full loss or very close to it at this point. So yeah, that'll be it for me today, unless I see something else. But I've got some other stuff I'm going to be working on today, so that might be the last video you see from me. And yeah, but yeah, let's check the stats. So today, 2.8%, right? And so that's amazing. That's almost 3% on my money for the day alone. And you guys have seen every single trade that I took so far. So this is great. I'll see you guys on the next video.